is the 60% section. That's super cute. Hello Spring. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. If I gardened, I would so buy this. So this is all 60%, guys. This whole spring collection. It is so pretty. So much. I would buy some of this stuff, but I don't really need more wall art. So these right here, I was telling Daryl, I've always wanted to learn how to sew and make these. My grandma used to make these, and they're so pretty. This Home Sweet Home one right here is gorgeous, but this one right here is my favorite. This one's really pretty too. And then here are some really pretty ones as well. I really like this Blessed one. Ooh, there's more in here. Ooh, yes, 60% off. Oh, Snapples. Oh my gosh. These baskets are so pretty. $39.99. This is actually what I came here for. And they have some. These two. $49.99. Damn, that's expensive. What's 60% off $49.99? That's still kind of a lot. This is pretty. Follow your heart. I like this a lot. I definitely do not need more wall art, but $39.99. That's so pretty. Ooh. Yep, I think I'm gonna take some of these. This is exactly what I want. How much are these? Where's the price? Oh, $29.99. Oh, they're cheaper. I think I'm gonna get these. And they have smaller ones too, guys. Those are so pretty. These are cute too. Little shelves. This is actually really cute. $34.99. So they go like this. That's super cute. Okay guys, so I am so torn on what size to get. I really like these smaller ones. The difference. This is way bigger. But these are so cute. But guys, Joann's has a lot of stuff. I've been talking about Joann's on my channel for years. I love Joann's. And they have 60% off right now on a bunch of the spring collection. So you guys should definitely come check it out. I'm like really trying to tell myself not to get this. I just love this so much right here. Okay, people are looking at me. Can you do 60% off $16.99? If we were to put this like when you walk out before you turn into the garage, like that wall where that where the security panel is,
yeah,
it's 50 bucks. 60% off 50 bucks. It's pretty good. Oh, this is cute too. Let's get cozy. 60% off these candles too. really think I want this. Okay, so we just left Joann's, and the mirror that I showed you guys that I was thinking of getting, I actually did get. Normally it was $49.99, and it actually was $49.99. For some reason it was with all the 60% stuff, so I think she said that was for the fall, but because I was like, well, it was right next to all the discounted stuff. And also the boxes, the little crates that I got, I did buy those as well. They were normally $16.99 and I got them for $6.79 because they were with the discounted stuff. But basically she said that they hooked it up because it shouldn't have been there. So I got a really good deal with all that stuff, because that mirror thing was normally $49.99 and I got it for 20 bucks. And it's so pretty. I'm so glad I got that. I was telling Daryl, like, should I get it? And I was like, I know this is one thing. You guys know when you guys shop and you see something that you like, but you don't know if you want to get it. What I tell myself is like, will I regret this if I leave and I come back and it's not there? And with that, I feel like I would regret it. So I'm so glad I got it. And then I also got those embroidered hoops. I'll show you guys when I get home. I guess I'm going to just make this into a shop with me and little haul, because I didn't buy that much stuff to make a separate haul. But I will show you guys what I got when we get home. These were the little crates that I got. I thought they were so adorable. They're galvanized and rustic, and they're just so pretty. And I also bought a lot of these embroidered hoops. They were on sale for 70% off, which is a freaking steal. I got this one. This is Blessed. It's just a white and black. And I got these two. I loved the florals on this. Like, it just was so beautiful to me. I had to get it. And then I also got this one, which I thought looked very, very pretty together. And this is the steal that I got. This is normally $49.99 and I got it for 20 bucks. Okay guys, so I wasn't even planning on filming a video today, but they had so many cute fall stuff, so I had to show you guys. And also I wanted to show you guys all the sale they had. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me and mini haul video. And I hope you guys enjoyed the sneak peek of all that fall stuff they have. They have so many cute fall stuff there. I'm actually gonna go back there once I'd say it stops being like 110 degrees here in Texas, because I'm not even trying to think about the fall right now with this weather. Am I right, guys? Because where are you guys at? It's freaking hot here in Texas. And I'm not really in the fall spirit yet, so I don't want to buy fall stuff quite yet. But also, they started putting the fall stuff on even more clearance around late August or so, so I'm going to wait for that time. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.